What's up, buddy? Got a little boo-boo on your leg? Yeah? Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at how brakes breathe. Yes, your brakes actually breathe on your car, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about right here. See these boots slide in and out, and when you are braking with the heat and grease, those allow the rotor and the caliper to separate enough so that your brake pads aren't constantly riding the rotors. And if your brake brackets, which is what that is not breathing properly, your brakes will warp the rotor a million times faster than what it would under normal circumstances. So, common issue on Toyotas and Hondas. So every time you change your brakes, check to see and make sure that your brackets and your sleeves are not cracked and grease is not leaking out, because what happens is these will then seize up. And that's what's happened to this vehicle. And about a month or so ago, I kind of rigged these up to make sure that they were moving so I can wait for parts and time to replace them. So that's what we're going to do right now. So once you have the wheel off, which is pretty easy obviously, go ahead and take the bolts out from the caliper and the bracket, 14 millimeter, and then take the bolts off for the bracket, which is 17 millimeters on this 2009 Toyota Corolla. Check.
See, baby. Hello, Mr. Casey. Say hi to fellow YouTubers. Say hi. My name is Casey. My name is Casey. And I have cast. Casey. Hello. Say hi to the camera. Get her done. But I don't know if you've ever known the actual name, but this is Sebastian. Ha ha ha. What is that? Is that the same thing as that?
That is, and we're replacing it.
Shit.
Alright, so these are the old breather components on the bracket, and as you can see, they're not really freely moving that well as much as I rigged them up and greased them. You can see the rubber's all cracked, and obviously, surprisingly, the rotors aren't ruined, thank God, because we've already replaced them twice since we replaced the pads. But here we are. We're going to remove the brakes.
Can you
like this.
Can you reuse those?
Yes. We're going to reuse the brake pads. These are the pads. These are brand new, as you can see. And then, since I unfortunately don't have new hardware for the brake bracket, I'm going to cautiously, carefully remove the old hardware here and put it on the new one. So, stay tuned. Hardware came off and went on very smoothly. I didn't bend them or damage them. Pads are back in. So now we're going to go ahead and reinstall. So, after all that, you can see the new caliper bracket is on there, reinstalled. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. I hope you took something from this. Next time you change your brakes, make sure you check these pistons, the sleeves with the grease. Otherwise, you're going to go through a set of rotors within 2 days if they're seized. So I hope you like what I'm doing. Subscribe, please share, please comment. Love your feedback below. Ask me anything that you have questions about, and if I can answer it honestly and truthfully, I will do so. So thank you again for watching. I'll see you next video.
What do you smell? I don't smell anything. What do you smell?